In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your leads in Meta Ads Manager. This process is essential if you're running lead generation campaigns and want to keep track of the potential customers who have shown interest in your business. Let's dive right in and take you through the steps. First, you'll need to navigate to the Meta Ads Manager. Once you're there, you'll want to go to the Manage Ads section and then select Campaigns. This is where you can see all the campaigns you've been running. It's the starting point for accessing all the detailed information about your ads, including the leads they've generated. After you've opened the campaign section, the next step is to click on the specific campaign for which you want to download leads. It's important to be on the right campaign, so make sure you're selecting the one that has the leads you're interested in. This action will take you into a more detailed view of the campaign. Once you're inside the campaign view, look for the Ads section. This is where all your individual ads within the campaign are listed. Now, if your ads are published and you've been running them, you should see a download link for leads under the Results column. It's worth noting that if you don't see this option, it might be because the ads haven't been published yet, or in some cases, if the campaign is paused or hasn't generated any leads. If the download link is visible, you can click on it, and this will allow you to download the leads in a file format that you can open with any spreadsheet software. This file will contain the contact information of all the people who have interacted with your lead forms, giving you the opportunity to follow up with them and potentially convert them into customers. Remember, managing your leads effectively is crucial for the success of your campaigns. Once you have them downloaded, take some time to analyze the data. Look for patterns or insights that can help you refine your marketing strategies. Also, ensure that you comply with any data protection regulations applicable in your region when handling this personal information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to easily download your leads from Meta Ads Manager. If you encounter any issues, double-check each step to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!